In the gentle embrace of a Vietnamese village, nestled amidst emerald rice paddies and whispering bamboo groves, resided Meister Tuan, an octogenarian carpenter. His hands, gnarled with the passage of time, still moved with the precision of a master craftsman. Each wrinkle on his face told a story, a testament to a life lived amidst wood shavings and the rhythmic tap-tap-tap of his trusty hammer. Despite his advanced years, Mr. Tuan's passion for his craft burned brightly. Carpentry was more than just a profession for him, it was an extension of his very being. It was a love affair with wood, a communion with nature's bounty. His workshop, a humble bamboo structure bathed in the warm glow of sunlight, was his sanctuary, his haven. It was here, amidst the intoxicating scent of sawdust and varnish, that Mr. Tuan found solace and purpose. Every piece of furniture he created was imbued with his love, his dedication, and the quiet wisdom of his years. Each stroke of his plane, each carefully measured cut, whispered tales of bygone eras, of traditions passed down through generations. Mr. Tuan shared his humble abode with his beloved wife, Mrs. Lan, a woman whose gentle demeanor and kind eyes reflected a lifetime of shared joys and sorrows. Their love story was one for the ages, a tale of enduring affection and mutual respect that had weathered the storms of life. They had met in their youth, and from the moment their eyes locked, they knew they were destined to be together. Over the years, their bond only grew stronger, a testament to their unwavering commitment to one another. Their home, a testament to their enduring love, was a sanctuary of warmth and tranquility. Every corner of the house spoke of their shared journey, filled with personal touches that made it uniquely theirs. The living room, with its warm lighting and rustic decor, was a place of comfort and peace where they spent countless evenings reminiscing about the past and dreaming about the future. Sunlight streamed through the open windows, casting dancing patterns on the worn floorboards. The natural light brought a sense of serenity to the room, illuminating the space with a gentle glow. It was in this light that they found solace, a reminder of the beauty of the world outside and the warmth of their home within. The walls, adorned with faded family photographs and intricate tapestries woven by Mrs. Lan's nimble fingers, whispered tales of a life well lived. Each photograph captured a moment in time, a memory frozen forever. The tapestries, with their intricate designs, were a labor of love, each thread a testament to Mrs. Lan's patience and skill. Together, they told the story of a family bound by love and tradition. The air was filled with the tantalizing aroma of ginger, lemongrass, and the subtle sweetness of incense burning at a small altar. This altar was a sacred space, a place where they honored their ancestors and sought guidance in times of need. The scent of fresh herbs mingled with the incense, creating an atmosphere of calm and reflection. It was a reminder of their cultural heritage and the spiritual connection that bound them to their past. But the heart of the home, the epicenter of their lives, was the old dining table. This table, with its well-worn surface and sturdy legs, was more than just a piece of furniture. It was a symbol of their family's unity and resilience. Around this table, they had shared countless meals, each one a celebration of their love and togetherness. Crafted by Mr. Tuan's own hands in his youth, it had borne silent witness to countless shared meals, laughter, tears, and the comforting rhythm of family life. The table was a labor of love, each groove and scratch a testament to the years of use and the memories created around it. It was here that they celebrated birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays, each occasion marked by the presence of family and the joy of being together. Around this table, generations had gathered, sharing stories, celebrating milestones, and finding solace in each other's company. It was a place where the past met the present, where the wisdom of the elders was passed down to the younger generation. The table was a witness to the passage of time, a constant in a world of change. This table was more than just a piece of furniture. It was a repository of memories, a silent guardian of their family's history. Each scratch and stain told a story, a reminder of the moments that had shaped their lives. It was a place of comfort and familiarity, a symbol of the love and connection that bound them together. It was a testament to Mr. Tuan's enduring love for his family, a symbol of the unbreakable bond that united them. As he sat at the table, reflecting on the years gone by, he felt a deep sense of gratitude for the life he had built with Mrs. Lan. Their home, filled with love and memories, was a sanctuary, a place where they could always find peace and solace. It was a reminder that no matter what challenges they faced, they would always have each other. The old dining table, crafted from sturdy teak wood, had been a steadfast companion throughout Mr. Tuan and Mrs. Lan's long marriage. It was more than just a piece of furniture, it was a silent witness to their journey together, a constant presence in their ever-changing lives. It had graced their first humble dwelling, a small apartment where they began their life together, and had made the journey with them as they moved to their current home, a place filled with memories and love. Each move was a new chapter, and the table was always there, a familiar anchor in unfamiliar surroundings. It had borne witness to their joys and sorrows, the laughter of their children, and the pitter-patter of tiny feet as their grandchildren came to visit. Around this table they celebrated birthdays, holidays, and countless family dinners. It was here that they shared stories, dreams, and plans for the future. Over the years, the table had acquired a patina of age, a testament to its long and storied life. The once bright and shiny surface had mellowed into a rich, warm hue, reflecting the passage of time and the countless meals shared upon it. Its surface, once smooth and polished, was now etched with 1,000 tiny scratches, each one a memory, a whisper of moments past. These marks were not imperfections, but rather a beautiful tapestry of their lives, each scratch a reminder of a meal shared, a conversation had, or a moment of laughter. The legs, once strong and sturdy, now bore the weight of time, their once sharp edges softened by years of use. They had supported not just the table, but the weight of countless family gatherings, bearing witness to the passage of time and the growth of their family. Yet, despite its age and the marks of time, the table remained a cherished possession, a symbol of their enduring love and the unbreakable bond of family. It was a place where they could come together no matter what life threw at them and find comfort in each other's company. Every scratch, every dent told a story, a chapter in the book of their lives. It was a living history, a tangible reminder of all the moments, big and small, that had shaped their family. Each mark was a testament to their resilience, their love, and their commitment to each other. It was a tangible link to the past, a reminder of all they had shared and overcome together. As they sat at the table, holding hands and reminiscing, they were surrounded by the echoes of their past, the memories of a life well lived. The table was not just a piece of furniture, but a beloved member of the family, a silent witness to their journey and a symbol of their enduring love. Section 4. A longing for renewal. As the years turned into decades, the old dining table, despite Mr. Tuan's meticulous care, began to show its age. The once vibrant wood had faded, and the numerous coats of varnish could no longer conceal the scratches and dents that told the story of countless family meals. Mrs. Lan, her heart filled with a mixture of nostalgia and practicality, began to voice her desire for a new table. She envisioned a table that would not only serve their needs, but also stand as a testament to Mr. Tuan's enduring skill and the love that filled their home. She yearned for a gathering place where their children and grandchildren could continue to create memories for years to come. One evening, as the setting sun cast long shadows across their cozy living room, Mrs. Lan gently broached the subject with Mr. Tuan. "My love," she began, her voice soft with affection, "our old table has served us well, but perhaps it's time we considered a new one." Section 5. The Carpenter's Gift. Mr. Tuan, his heart attuned to the subtle nuances of his wife's voice, understood the longing behind her words. He had always been a man of few words, but his actions spoke volumes. Over the years, he had learned to listen not just with his ears, but with his heart, sensing the unspoken emotions that lay beneath the surface. He knew that the old table, like their own mortal forms, was showing the passage of time. The scratches and dents on its surface were like the wrinkles on their faces, each one telling a story of a life well lived. The table had been a silent witness to countless family meals, celebrations, and quiet moments of reflection. He also knew that Mrs. Lan wasn't simply asking for a new piece of furniture, she was yearning for a renewal, a tangible expression of their enduring love. The table was more than just a piece of wood. It was a symbol of their shared journey, a testament to the years they had spent together, weathering life's storms and savoring its joys. A warm smile spread across his face as he took her hand in his calloused fingers gently caressing her smooth skin. In that simple gesture, he conveyed a lifetime of love and devotion. They had grown old together, their lives intertwined like the grains of wood in the table they cherished. "My love," he replied, his voice a low rumble filled with affection, "you deserve a dining table as beautiful and enduring as our love." His words were not just a promise, but a declaration of his unwavering commitment to her happiness. He wanted to create something that would stand the test of time, just as their love had. "I will build you a new one, a table that will grace our home for generations to come." With those words, he set to work, his hands moving with the skill and precision that only years of experience could bring. Each cut, each joint was made with care and love. As he poured his heart into the project, his words, spoken with quiet conviction, filled Mrs. Lowndes' heart with a joy that belied her years. She watched him work, her eyes shining with pride and love. She knew that this table would be more than just a piece of furniture. It would be a legacy, a symbol of their enduring love and the life they had built together. It wasn't simply the promise of a new table that brought tears to her eyes. It was the depth of his love, the way he instinctively understood her unspoken desires. She felt a profound sense of gratitude for the man who had stood by her side through thick and thin, always knowing exactly what she needed, even when she couldn't find the words to express it. It was a testament to their enduring bond, a love story etched not in words but in shared moments and the quiet language of the heart. As they sat together hand in hand, they knew that their love was the true gift, one that would continue to grow and flourish, just like the new table that Mr. Tuan was crafting with so much love and care.